Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Casa Equilíbrio. Today's practice is gonna be a 20 minutes practice and was filmed at my hometown in Rio de Janeiro, in the mountains of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So let's sit down in a comfortable position with your legs crossed in front of you. Close your eyes for a second and let's take this first moment of our practice to reconnect with your body, with our breath, and with our mind. Inhale deeply and exhale, relax your whole body. Feel the air coming in and coming out of your lungs. Feeling you with this pranic energy of this whole universe. Inhale, raise your arms up, palms together. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart, cultivating this feeling of gratitude to yourself. You can open your eyes now and let's start our physical practice. Coming to the back of your mat, sit down on your heels. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms to the sky, stretching your whole body. Exhale, slowly fold forward to child's pose. Let's take a moment here, connecting again with your body, with the space where you are right now. Inhale, come up to tabletop position on your hands and knees, and let's do some cat-cows. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look into your belly. Inhale, belly down, head up. Exhale, round your spine. One more time. Inhale, look up. And exhale, round. Come to neutral position and let's step back to our plank position. So lift your knees from the floor and let's hold this plank position for 1 second. Feel your body, your core working out. From here, on your next inhale, let's lift your right leg up, hold, and exhale, bring your knee to your forehead. Come back to the neutral and let's switch side. Inhale, left leg up, hold. Exhale, knee to the forehead. Extend your leg back and touch your foot to the floor. From here, come to downward facing dog. As is your first downward facing dog of the practice, you can move your legs, step in and out with your feet, feeling the stretch. And when you're comfortable, let's hold this position still. So focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Feeling this asana. On your next inhale, move forward to plank position and do your chaturanga. Touch your knees to the floor, then your chest, and lift up to upward facing dog. Look to the sky. Exhale, come back to child's pose for 1 second. Inhale and exhale, relaxing your body in this moment. One more breath. Inhale, come up. Let's come back to plank position. And from here, we're gonna step forward with your right foot. Bring your left knee to the floor. Inhale, lift your body up. Arms extend to the sky. And dip your hips. You can bring your hands on your lower back to support you and go deeply in this position. Stay for 1 breath. Let's raise your arms to the sky 1 more time. Exhale, bring your hands to the floor. Untouch your left knee and raise your right arm up. Try to look to your hand. Stay. Feeling this asana. Exhale, bring your right hand to the floor. Plank position, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, exhale, back to plank position. Let's switch sides. Step now your left foot to the front. Touch your right knee to the floor. Inhale, lift your body. Dip your hips down. You can support your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands to the floor. Untouch your back knee. Your right hand stay on the ground and you lift your left arm up. Look into the sky, to your hands. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly touch your hand to the floor. Come back to plank position, Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale. Let's stay for a second, for a moment, to reconnect with your body and with your breath. On your next inhale, bring your left hand to your right heel. Come back to center. Now your right hand to your left heel. Back to center. And from here, let's walk to the front of your mat. Relax your body. Relax your shoulders. Bring your opposite hand to opposite elbow and move side to side. Stay 1 more breath. Inhale, come halfway, look to the front. Exhale, come to chair pose. Arms up. Inhale here. And exhale, extend your legs, hands to your heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step back to plank position. Hold for one breath. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Look up. Let's move forward with your chest. Inhale, look up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, back to the floor. One more time. Inhale, Bhujangasana, cobra position. And exhale, back to the floor. Now, stay lower with your body. Extend your arms to the front. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, raise your chest. Look up. Try to raise your legs too. Stay. One more second. Now try to hold your heels on your feet and lift up with your chest, with your whole body. Coming into bow pose. Back to the floor, slowly let go of your legs and come to child's pose with your knees kind open for a nice release of your hips, of your glutes. Take a deep breath in, a deep breath out. Slowly come up, sit down on your heels, and from here, let's move our legs to the front. Legs extended, you sit down. Inhale, raise your arms to the sky, and exhale, fold forward. Paschimottanasana. You can hold to your feet, to your heels, or even to the back of your knees if it's easy for you like this. Stay for one moment. Let's try to release all the tension from our lower back, from our legs, and slowly come up vertebra by vertebra. Bring your right leg up and step your right foot to the side of your left knee. Look to the back. Try to lift your body like there is a line that's pushing you from the floor to the sky. Inhale and exhale back to center. Let's switch side. Now your left foot step in the side of your right leg and you start to looking back on your left shoulder. Hold. And slowly come back to center. Now let's put the soles of our feet together in butterfly position. You can move your knees up and down for a nice release if you're not able to do the full version like I am doing right now. If you're able to, try to bring your forehead to the floor and your arms are extended in the front of you. Take a deep breath in and out. This is a strong release of your hips. Slowly come back up. Move your legs forward. Your hands are supporting you in the back of your body. Lift your hips to the sky in reverse plank. Look back. Try to extend your legs as maximum as you can and slowly come back to the floor. And let's come lay down on your mats, vertebra by vertebra, to our final posture, Shavasana, the corpse pose. So now, close your eyes, relax your whole body. This is a very important part of the yoga practice because releasing all the tension of your body after these movements, after all these asanas that we did before, is in that time of our practice that our body accepted that He's hold all the space that we've been creating in this practice together. So with your eyes closed, just breathe in and out naturally. Take a deep breath in, feeling all the oxygen coming to your body, fulfilling you with this love energy that you create. And exhale, just relax. Slowly now start to move your fingers, your toes, your hands. Pass your hands through your body, feeling the touch on your skin. Extend your arms, extend your legs, give your body a nice stretch, and hold your knees to your chest. Inhale and exhale everything that you still holding to your mind, to your body, and to your life. Slowly let's come back in the way that you start our practice. Sit down in a comfortable position with your legs crossed in the front of you. Open your hands to the sky to receive all the energy from the universe. Still with your eyes closed for 1 second, just to mentalize everything that we did together. And on your next inhale, slowly we can raise your arms to the sky, hugging all the air, all the energy that you cultivate, accepting everything that the universe is giving to you right now. Thank you so much for watching this practice and to flow with me. And I hope to see you very soon on our next practice. Namaste.